Synthetic bristle blend paintbrushes with different colors and sizes. These high-quality brushes for painting are long-lasting and made to be washed and reused. It is often used for applying oil-based paints, such as wood paint, metal paint, and so on. It is widely applied in fields like furniture manufacturing and building decoration. Brush handle material, PP handle, material, made of boar bristles, with metal ferrule and plastic handle, sturdy and non-slip. Material, made of synthetic bristles with metal ferrule and plastic handle, sturdy and non-slip. Brush handle material, PP handle. Brush handle material, wooden handle. Brush handle material, TPR.